So to get to the art website, you just need to Google my name and Wellsville, Miss Roth Wellsville. Now on this art website, you can do a couple different things. Like if you're finished early, go to Early Finishers. You can visit the art websites where there's lots of different art websites that you can go to. You can do whatever the activity is that it sends you to. So for this activity, it's a symmetry drawing. So I can participate in this activity. I can draw, I can change the size of what I'm drawing, I can change the color of what I'm drawing, but you're not allowed to click on anything on the top or the sides. So math, reading, even if it says art, you are not allowed to click on the top or the sides. That basically sends you to a different part of that website. But if I want to do a different activity, I go back to the art websites, pick something else, and I can go there. These art block pictures are really helpful if you want to go to the Student Center and use the shape blocks with the art website. So again, you can't use anything that's on the top or the sides. Let's try another one, Nature Cat Art. If we go to Nature Cat Art and I click on an activity, this is the activity that I'm allowed to do. I'm not allowed to click out of this activity to go to a different game. These are not from the art website, so I'm not allowed to do those. Okay, so let's go back to the home page, go to Early Finishers if I'm finished early. The art library has lots of different art books that you can click on to listen to. Sometimes the videos don't work. You just have to click out and go to a different video. Same thing with YouTube. You're not allowed to click on whatever book is on the top or the side. You're only allowed to listen to the books that are from the art website. So I'm going to click out of that. Again, any of those books are fine. I'm going to probably add more too. So let's go back, Early Finishers, and go to the art videos. There are draw along videos and watch along videos. I think probably the most popular of these is Art for Kids Hub. So if you click on Art for Kids Hub, you can do any of the Art for Kids Hub videos. So you can go to the Student Center, get a piece of free draw paper, crayons or colored pencils, and draw along with Art for Kids Hub. Now, any of the videos that pop up on the side, my rule is you're not allowed to click on them. But if it says Art for Kids Hub, like it does right there, that means that you are allowed to click on that. So as long as it says Art for Kids Hub, you're good. Drawing guides is also under Early Finishers. There's lots of different types of drawing guides. Some of them are a little goofy where you have to click on it, and some of them are not. So for those are just pictures, but if I go to dogs, I sometimes have to click on the picture of the dogs and then start scrolling to make sure that I can see all of the pages for all of the different poses. So some of those drawing guides can get a little tricky. So those are things you can do if you're finished early. You could also go to the digital art shows, and I have a couple slideshows and videos from years past. So there's a whole bunch of different years of Wellsville art that you can look at. There's a secret tiger button at the bottom that you can click on to view different tiger photos or videos because the tiger is our Wellsville mascot. It also has background ideas too if you want to draw around your tiger if there's different things there. So that's the art website. So if you're ever using a computer in here, you can use it to visit the art website, or you can use it to look up a photo on Google to draw.